Boys, question 12a asks students to discuss ways that socio-cultural factors can impact on an individual's health, and it's worth 4 marks. So we're looking here at the socio-cultural factors. So we just get an idea of what we're talking about. If I stay with it here for a minute. Socio-cultural, so let's just bold that. And also, impact is also important on the individual's health. It's worth 4 marks. So socio-cultural factors, we go and look at our syllabus dot point for this one. It comes under the area of determinants of health. The socio-cultural factors, we've got family, there's peers, media, religion, and culture. So there's 5 different areas there. And for a 4-mark question, I'm looking for students to give at least 3. If they've come up with 3 and they relate them to the question, so come up with 3 different of those socio-cultural factors and cover the impact that has on individuals' health, then they're going to get 4 out of 4 marks. We're going to have a look at our sample answer here. So straight away, socio-cultural factors can impact on an individual's health in a big way. The socio-cultural factors include family, peers, media, religion, and culture. He's named the syllabus straight away. Family, it's underlined, it stands out, we know that it exists. Can have a huge impact on your health. So we're using wording from the question. So we know that the family's there. We also know that peers has been included as our syllabus. Talks about impacts and habits that it has on people's life. We have medias in there as well. So there's the 3. We've even got religion and culture. Even though they're sort of done together, they're very, very similar. So that's why this answer's been quite good. So the answer's been able to go through, cover the correct syllabus terminology and content, relate to what the question's asking, looking at the impact on an individual's health. And that was some of the ways, or let's enable this student to get 4 out of 4, which was a great answer. Look, some of the general, or the feedback for the class as a whole here is again, if you look at this answer, it was well set out. I know that there's 4 or 5 areas there of the syllabus by the way that it's been underlined. But a lot of people struggle with the underlining and setting it out. They're unable to name a sufficient factors that relate to the socio-cultural factors. You need to obviously include examples or have something in there supporting what you're saying, which is what we can see by this one. People were combining 2 factors together, for example, family and peers. As the syllabus shows us, they're separate. So by combining family and peers, that's only going to count as 1 factor, where they need to be done individually. Some people just didn't write enough information. For 4 marks, we've given the lines there. There's a number of different, there's 5 factors that you could have chosen from. So at least 3 of them should have been in there. And people were a little bit general. So there's a few things there that people need to work on. But again, if we can think about our setting out, make it clear for the person to see the answer, as it's right in front of you, it's all underlined, makes it a lot easier to mark, and it's an easier way of setting out your answer.